Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to remove spaces from your code or your documents here in the Adobe Dreamweaver. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open and run your Adobe Dreamweaver on your desktop and then follow these simple steps. So here I have my HTML code here and it contains some unnecessary spaces like these spaces here. As you can see, there are some other spaces, and now I'm going to show you a method to remove those spaces easily without being difficult. So the first thing that I will need to do now is to click on Ctrl+F to run the find and replace tool or menu, and then I will search for these characters. The first thing will need to be between brackets and \n and \r, and then just add other these characters and add 2, and now it will delete the unnecessary spaces or where there are multiple spaces between text here in your document. Then you will click on this one like this, show more, and here you will add in the replace item. You will just replace it with a line feed, and now they will be removed. It will be removed the white space or the empty space. Otherwise, if you want like to have these spaces, if you want like to take off or remove the indentations from your code, you can use the remove indent tool here, the outdent code here. You can, so if you do not have it like here in your toolbar, you can just click on this customize toolbar and go here and search for outdent, and you will find it here and make sure that it's checked. You click done and you will have it in your toolbar. You select all your text or the places where you want to delete your spaces, and then you will just click on outdent and you will have your spaces that have been removed. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.